Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring 4 important connecting words: because, so, but, and however.
These words are called conjunctions and transitions.
Understanding them helps you connect ideas smoothly.
They're used in almost every conversation and piece of writing.
By the end of this episode, you'll use all 4 confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words do.
They all connect ideas, but in different ways.
Because gives reasons, explains why.
So shows results, explains what happens because of something.
But shows contrast, something unexpected or opposite.
However is like but more formal.
Let's explore each one.
Word 1, because.
Because introduces a reason or cause.
The key idea is answering why something happened.
Structure, result plus because plus reason.
I'm tired because I didn't sleep. She's happy because she passed.
Uses of because.
Use 1, explaining why you did something.
I stayed home because I was sick. Reason for staying.
She smiled because she was happy. Reason for smiling.
Use 2, giving reasons for situations. It's cold because it's winter. The road is wet because it rained.
Use 3, answering why questions.
Why are you late? Because there was traffic.
Word 2, so.
So shows a result or consequence.
The key idea is what happened as a result.
Structure, reason plus so plus result.
I was tired, so I slept. She passed, so she's happy.
Uses of so.
Use 1, showing what happened because of something.
I was sick, so I stayed home. Being sick caused staying home.
She was happy, so she smiled. Happiness caused smiling. Use 2, explaining consequences.
It's winter, so it's cold. The road is wet, so it rained.
Use 3, drawing conclusions.
He studied hard, so he passed the test.
Word 3, but.
But shows contrast or something unexpected.
The key idea is opposite or different from what you'd expect.
Structure, statement 1 plus but plus contrasting statement.
I'm tired, but I can't sleep. She studied, but she failed.
Uses of but.
Use 1, showing opposite situations.
It's cold, but I'm not wearing a jacket. Unexpected. He's rich, but he's not happy. Contrast.
Use 2, introducing exceptions.
I like most vegetables, but not broccoli. Exception.
Use 3, showing things that don't match expectations.
She's smart, but she makes mistakes. Unexpected.
Word 4, however.
However is a formal way to show contrast.
The key idea is the same as but more sophisticated.
Structure, statement 1, however, contrasting statement.
I was tired, however, I couldn't sleep. She studied, however, she failed.
Uses of however.
Use 1, formal contrast in writing.
The plan was good, however, it didn't work.
Use 2, academic or professional communication.
Sales increased, however, profits decreased.
Use 3, making polite contrasts.
I appreciate your offer, however, I must decline.
The key differences.
Because gives reasons, explains why.
So shows results, what happened because of the reason.
But shows contrast, informal, in the middle of sentences.
However shows contrast, formal, usually starts a new sentence.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, why didn't you come to the party last night?
I wanted to come, but I had to work late.
Oh no, so you missed all the fun?
Yes, I was disappointed because everyone said it was great.
It was. However, we're planning another one next week.
Really? I'll definitely come because I don't want to miss it again.
Great. It's on Friday, so you should be free, right?
I should be, but I need to check my schedule.
Okay, let me know. However, even if you're busy, try to make time.
I will. I missed the last one, so I really want to be there.
Did you notice all 4 words?
I wanted to come, but I had to work. Contrast.
I was disappointed because everyone said it was great. Reason.
So you missed all the fun. Result.
However, we're planning another one next week. Formal contrast.
It's on Friday, so you should be free. Result.
I should be, but I need to check. Contrast.
However, even if you're busy, try to make time. Formal contrast.
I missed the last one, so I want to be there. Result.
All 4 used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Starting sentences with because alone.
Wrong. Because I was tired. Incomplete. Correct. I stayed home because I was tired.
Need both parts.
Mistake 2. Confusing because and so.
Wrong. I was tired, so I didn't sleep. Should be, I was tired, but I didn't sleep.
So shows result, not reason.
Mistake 3. Using however like but.
Wrong. I'm tired, however, I'll go. Correct. I'm tired, however, I'll go.
However needs punctuation.
Mistake 4. Forgetting commas with these words.
Wrong. I was sick, so I stayed home. Better. I was sick, comma, so I stayed home.
Mistake 5. Using but and however together.
Wrong. But, however, I disagree. Just use one.
Because in different contexts.
Daily explanations.
I'm happy because it's Friday. She's crying because she's sad.
Giving reasons.
I exercise because I want to be healthy. We studied because the test is tomorrow.
Answering questions.
Why? Because that's the rule. Just because. So, in different contexts.
Showing consequences.
It's raining, so take an umbrella. I'm hungry, so I'll eat.
Drawing conclusions.
You're late, so we'll start without you. It's expensive, so I won't buy it.
Making decisions.
I'm tired, so I'm going to bed. It's cold, so I'll wear a coat. But in different contexts.
Contrasts in daily life.
I like coffee, but not tea. It's expensive, but worth it.
Unexpected situations.
I tried hard, but I failed. She's young, but very mature.
Exceptions.
Everyone came, but him. I eat everything, but not meat.
However, in different contexts.
Formal writing. The results were positive, however, more research is needed.
Professional communication.
We appreciate your interest, however, the position is filled.
Academic language.
This theory is popular, however, it has limitations.
Punctuation rules.
How to punctuate correctly.
Because. No comma if reason comes second.
I stayed home because I was sick. No comma.
Because I was sick, I stayed home, comma, after reason.
So, comma, before so.
I was sick, so I stayed home, comma, before.
But, comma, before but.
I'm tired, but I'll go, comma, before.
However, comma, before, or period before, comma, after.
I'm tired, period, however, I'll go, or I'm tired, however, I'll go.
Because of versus because.
Different structures.
Because plus subject plus verb. Because it rained.
Because of plus noun, because of the rain.
Different grammar. Therefore versus so.
Formal versus informal.
So equals informal. I was tired, so I slept.
Therefore equals formal. I was tired, therefore I slept.
Same meaning, different formality.
Yet versus but.
Similar contrast words.
But equals general contrast. I'm tired, but I'll go.
Yet equals despite what you'd expect. I'm tired, yet I'll go.
Yet emphasizes surprise.
Word order.
Where they go in sentences.
Because can go in the middle or beginning. I left because I was tired. Or, because I was tired, I left.
So and but go in the middle. I was tired, so I left. I was tired, but I stayed.
However usually starts a new sentence. I was tired, however, I stayed.
Speaking versus writing.
Different usage.
Speaking, use because, so, but more often.
Writing. Use however, therefore, more formal words.
Adjust to your audience.
Combining multiple connectors.
Using more than one.
I wanted to go, but I was tired, so I stayed home.
Shows reason and contrast together.
Because it was raining, I took an umbrella. However, I still got wet.
Complex relationships.
Common expressions.
Fixed phrases.
Just because. But still. So what? However you want. Because of this. But then. So far so good. Real life scenarios.
At work.
I can't attend because I have a conflict. The meeting is canceled, so we're free.
I agree, but we need more time. The plan is good, however, it's too expensive.
At school, I studied hard because the test is important. I studied, so I'm confident.
I studied, but I'm still nervous. I prepared well, however, I'm anxious.
Making plans. I can't come because I'm busy. I'm busy, so I can't come.
I'm busy, but I'll try. I'm busy, however, I'll make time.
Emphasis and tone.
Making it stronger.
Because I said so. So what? But why? However, I must insist.
Stress changes meaning.
More detailed examples.
Health situations.
I feel better because I rested. I rested, so I feel better.
I'm sick, but I'll work. I'm sick, however, I'll work.
Travel and transportation.
I drove because it's faster. It's faster, so I drove.
I drove, but there was traffic. I drove, however, traffic delayed me.
Food and dining.
I'm eating because I'm hungry. I'm hungry, so I'm eating.
I'm full, but it's delicious. I'm full, however, I'll have dessert.
Weather descriptions.
I stayed in because it's raining. It's raining, so I stayed in.
It's raining, but I'll go out. It's raining, however, I need groceries.
Shopping decisions.
I bought it because it was on sale. It was on sale, so I bought it.
It's expensive, but I need it. It's expensive, however, it's necessary.
Relationships and social life.
I like her because she's kind. She's kind, so I like her.
I'm angry, but I forgive you. I'm angry, however, I forgive you.
Work and career.
I work hard because I love my job. I love my job, so I work hard.
I'm tired, but I'll finish. I'm tired, however, I'll complete it.
Technology and devices.
I bought it because it's reliable. It's reliable, so I bought it.
It's old, but it works. It's old, however, it functions well.
Money and finance.
I save because I want security. I want security, so I save.
It's cheap, but poor quality. It's cheap, however, the quality is poor.
Exercise and fitness.
I exercise because it's healthy. It's healthy, so I exercise.
I'm sore, but I'll continue. I'm sore, however, I'll keep going.
Education and studying.
I study because I want to learn. I want to learn, so I study.
It's difficult, but I won't quit. It's difficult, however, I won't give up.
Entertainment and hobbies.
I watch it because it's funny. It's funny, so I watch it.
It's long, but interesting. It's long, however, it's captivating.
Family and home.
I call because I miss them. I miss them, so I call.
We disagree, but we respect each other. We disagree, however, we're respectful.
Time management.
I'm late because I overslept. I overslept, so I'm late.
I'm busy, but I'll help. I'm busy, however, I'll assist you.
Emotions and feelings.
I'm happy because you're here. You're here, so I'm happy.
I'm sad, but I'm okay. I'm sad, however, I'm managing.
Advanced usage.
Complex sentences.
Because it was late and I was tired, I went to bed, but I couldn't sleep.
Multiple connectors.
The project failed because of poor planning. However, we learned, so we'll improve.
Common mistakes explained.
Common mistakes explained.
Why people get confused.
Wrong. I stayed home, comma, because I was sick. Right. I stayed home because I was sick.
Comma placement matters.
Sports and activities.
I play because I enjoy it. I enjoy it, so I play.
I lost, but I tried my best. I lost, however, I'm proud.
Environment and nature.
I recycle because it helps. It helps, so I recycle. It's small, but it matters. It's small, however, it's important.
Quick review.
Because gives reasons, explains why.
Answers why questions.
I stayed home because I was sick. So shows results, what happens because of something.
Shows consequences.
I was sick, so I stayed home. But shows contrast, something unexpected.
Informal. Joins sentences.
I'm tired, but I can't sleep. However, shows contrast, formal version of but.
Usually starts new sentence.
I'm tired, however, I can't sleep. Punctuation, comma before so and but.
Period or semicolon before however.
Because can move around in the sentence.
Use commas correctly.
Because and so are opposites in a way.
Because means reason. So means result.
But and however mean the same.
But, however, is more formal.
You now understand all four completely.
These connecting words make your English flow naturally.
Use because to give reasons.
Use so to show results.
Use but for informal contrast.
Use however for formal contrast.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Create sentences using all four words.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.